Good morning, children. Today I am going to take a special class on water, and I want to see the smiling face of the children because we all need water to live, and our topic is today water. All of you know what is the use of the word or why water is important? Because water saves life. Water saves life. We need water to live. So, life is the other name for water. Do you understand, children? Do you understand? So, our topic is today water. Water saves life. We need water to live, and life is the other name for water. So, now we will proceed to the next part of our chapter, that is water will be there, but many other things we will add to it. Many other things we are going to add to it. First, we are going to learn a new word. First, we are going to learn a new word. It is called aquaculture. The word is aquaculture. The word is aquaculture. See the spelling? A-Q-U-A-C-U-L-T-U-R-E. Aquaculture. And what does it mean? It means it is a very common word with you because you live in your villages, and it is very common in your village also. It means farming with aquatic plants or fish. The ponds, the small lakes which we have in our villages, there the water which is used for agriculture and for fishing. It is called aquaculture. This is the word. So please learn the spelling. Learn the spelling. Learn the spelling. Now we will come to the next picture, which is also very important. That means it is the water and how we get water from rainfall. Now this is a picture of a cloud. See the picture of a cloud, how it rains. The water doesn't come once we look at the eyes and the water is falling. It is not like that. The rain occurs, and this is the cloud, and here is water. Here is water which is evaporating with the heat of the sun. With the heat of the sun, it is evaporating. The heat is here. The heat of the sun is evaporating the water, and it goes up, and as it goes up, when it goes up, it cools down. It cools. Water cools. Water cools, and condensation takes place. Condensation takes place. And when condensation takes place, the water molecules, the water becomes small droplets of water, because before it was vapor. when condensation was taking place, it was vapor. When condensation was taking place, it was vapor. But now, when condensation is done, when it is going up, it cools down and it becomes droplets of water, and it become water droplets once again. I explain once again. The water is here on the earth's surface, and with the sun heat, it rises up. It becomes vapor. It becomes steam. As it becomes steam, it becomes light and it rises up. As it rises up, it goes up, and with that, the vapor, which is the steam, the vapor, V-A-P-O-U-R, the vapor condensation takes place. The vapor condensation takes place. And what is condensation? The cooling of vapor. The cooling of vapor is condensation. So the vapor, that is the steam becomes small droplets of water and it becomes heavy. When it becomes